misuse.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bishop Mandem and I'm back on another video. So today I'll be showing you how to make your phone a little bit unique. You make video ringtones instead of the normal ringtones of just maybe some bogus songs, but now you want to make your phone much more unique by using the video ringtones, just like how you saw in the beginning of this video. So before I show you anything, please guys help me and subscribe. Like, man, most of you people who watch my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe. Don't just watch and leave. Let's get into the video without wasting any time. So what you're going to do, you first go on your Play Store and then you look for this app here, Love Video Ringtone. So if you don't find it, I will put the link in the comment section below just to make your life much easier. So let's open it. For me, I've already installed it. This one actually works preferably on Android, so if you use iOS, this may not work. So wait for it to load. This is an ad. Just wait for it and to do its stuff, and then I mean it's not an ad. I mistook it for an ad, but yeah. So what you're going to do is tap on Let's Go, and then give it permissions, all the permissions. Give it the permissions, set as default. Give it then okay, then also you give it permissions. You give it every permission it needs to work properly. Give it permission, general permission, allow, then tap continue, then continue. So tap on videos. At this point you have to choose the video which you want to use. You can either select from your gallery, or they can give you a couple of videos here. Several videos here for you to choose, but maybe let me pick from my gallery here, my own phone, and I see. As it's loading, please subscribe. Please, you guys, please subscribe. Most of you watch my videos and not yet subscribe to my channel. So yeah, these are some of my videos. I'm sorry I can't really show you all. I don't know what's the problem with it, but yeah, let's just maybe take a random guess. Let's take this. Let's pick a random one.
We don't give a fuck. Jesus. We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck.
Okay, that's a little bit offensive. That's a little bit offensive.
Jesus. We don't give a fuck.
So that's a little bit offensive. I even don't know if YouTube is going to accept me to make this video, but yeah, you tap on set theme. After that, you tap on set theme, then they bring for you this small menu right here. So you can actually record your own video. Maybe you can tell your sister, your mother, like to record their own video saying that you call me or whatever. But yeah, so for me, maybe let me choose in the video. So they will take you to your contacts. It's an ad, don't worry about it. Wait for it to play, and then we shall be good to go. Then let's tap on video. Give it time as it's searching through your contacts. I even don't know if YouTube is really going to accept this video, guys. Give it time, give it time, give it time, give it time. So after searching through your contacts, maybe let's choose Aaron. Aaron is one of my best friends, so let's choose Aaron. Tap on done. So whenever Aaron or whoever you have picked will call, that video that you have saved on them will act as your ringtone. I can't prove it right now because Aaron is not available, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.